Welcome back, team. As a part of 14th section, we speak about the kind of research methodology that we have selected. Okay, so considering your research titles, you people will be selecting mixed research method, where you will be using more than one type of research. Okay, so usually like to conclude about a given research problem, maybe literature research itself is enough, because so there will be there will be plenty of documents that speak about the research problem, and based on the results they achieved, we can conclude about it. But it will be biased in nature. So to reduce the bias in nature, we will be using multiple types of research methods. Okay. So as a part of literature research, we will be reviewing various articles that are related to or that are directly speaking about the research problem or the research area that you have considered for conducting the research. The next part is quantitative analysis. If some of you guys are, if some of you are performing data analytics, okay. If your title speaks about conducting data analysis or creating artificial intelligence or machine learning, you are supposed to select a data set on which you are supposed to provide some kind of quantitative analysis. Okay, so quantitative analysis is nothing. It is just like application of statistics on the data that is available. For example, if we get a data set like if you are classifying a credit card repayment kind of thing, and you see that age, the salary, and the risk is evaluated, and based on these two factors, the risk is evaluated. Whole data will be used to establish relationship between age, salary, and risk. Okay, and this relationship can be established by using the quantitative analysis. So simple. So usually quantitative analysis helps us to understand, describe each and every data that is available. Maybe, for example, you can speak about data, age, where you can mention what is the minimum age considered and maximum age considered, and what is the average age of the people. So in that way, you can define whatever the data that is available if you are using a quantitative analysis. So based on this, you can speak like if the age is more than 40, the risk is high. In that way, you can conclude. So to make it simple, quantitative analysis attempts to analyze the data that is available, and it makes some kind of conclusions based on the quantitative data. Means like by using the aggregates and numerical values. So simple. So for performing the data analysis, what we do is like we try to search some kind of data sets that are readily available. Let me show you an example. Excel is one of the sources from where we can get data set to perform analysis. Okay, let me search this one. Credit card. So you get some kind of data analysis, data that is available, and you will be using that data to perform analysis. Okay, so you can see that this is data, and it contains data like this. So the kind of people, their age, gender, own house or rent house, job, how many jobs they are doing. All this data will be used to conduct analysis and establish relationship between various columns and the target variable. So simple. So we need the, when you are conducting some kind of analysis on this type of data, we call it the quantitative analysis. So for your information, how this information was collected by the original owner of this data. They might have conducted some kind of surveys, and they might have collected all this data. So conducting survey is a quantitative analysis, okay, quantitative research method. That's why I'm telling you. So as your topic involves data analysis, you will be using a data set on which you will be performing analysis. And the data set the data set contains a lot of quantifiable data, which can be transformed into numbers. Okay, the results such can be easily explained, and it is possible to establish relationship between various columns of the data and target column. Okay, so simple. If you don't understand, ask me. Okay. Next one is system testing approach. This method is used because we will be developing an application by using the knowledge that is created from the quantitative analysis. After conducting analysis on the data available, what we do is we will be developing a application system, and we will be testing it whether to understand whether it is performing properly or not. By testing the system, it is possible to conclude about actual topic, that is actual purpose of the research that is conducted. Okay, so these three approaches are selected by us. So when we are using more than two methods, two or more methods, we call it a mixed research method. You just speak like you are supposed to explain that in this research we will be using a mixed research method, and as a part of it we will be conducting quantitative analysis and system testing approach. So quantitative analysis conducted on the data set that is collected. In that way, you are supposed to write it. Because system testing, as the application development is proposed in the title, an application will be developed and it will be tested for its performance. In that way, you are supposed to write. Okay, sure. You start working on this. Okay. If you got any problem with like if you don't understand anything, and if you got confusion how many types of methods should be used, please come to me, I will explain it. All right, so come to me and take your feedback. Based on that, you can come to your task, right?